That's what happens. So, moi. So we took the E out, took the E out, and compressed it to be moi. Right? Bula. What is bula? Yoruba is very descriptive, right? And they talk about something, and then the way we say it, you will know that that's what we're talking about. When I say fella feels like, and fella used to say pampa. When you say pampa, it means what? Big, useless, and big, and just flat, right? When you say konko, what does that mean? Yes. Small, tiny. Small, tiny, and strong. Right? Kokoro. What is kokoro? Kokoro is a snack that we buy on the road, right? Going to Ife, Abeokuta, and all those places. You buy this kokoro in a bunch, right? They sell it to you in a bunch, and it's
Is kokoro crunchy?
Yes, it's crunchy. Sometimes they make it in kind of ring, like a cone-like shape, and then sometimes in just round balls. And it's not soft. What is soft is mosa. And that mosa is soft. I think it's made out of corn.
Wait,
Mosa is not.
No.
Isn't that key?
Key?
Kokoro?
No, that's kokoro. That's different.
Nice try.
Sounds the same.
This will be noun now. This one will be noun. This will not be an adjective. Kokoro. This will be key.
Key.
I don't see the difference. Is this the same?
Kokoro.
No.
Corn chips. Corn snack.
Where? The dot.
Could you explain why they are
The
different?
difference.
The accent and the
accent
dot.
and the dot, because that
That
dot
this is
in
all.
not
And this is
O.
O.
So right there.
You know.
The accent's the same actually.
Yeah.
Huh?
Same accent but different vowel sounds.
Same
Yeah,
accent.
'cause the accents are the
No.
same.
And
Same
different
accent.
alphabet.
Different different
Vowels.
dots under the vowels.
Vowels.
All right. So that's how to explain that.
That's all. That's all.
Very important. What we just described now. Those two.
Yeah.
All is the one with the
And
dot on the bottom.
the all with the dot in the bottom. You know that already, right?
No, she missed
Too
classes.
many classes. So
I've been.
We not. You were.
N,
No, I remember
E.
that.
Yeah.
O, O,
Oh.
O. All right. Those are the ones we put, and then we put accent under. We put dot under she, and under e, and under what? O. That's it. And we don't have C. We don't have X
Or Z.
or Z.
Or Q.
Instead of Z, we say C or Q. We don't have all that. So, giri. What does giri? What does the giri mean?
Rush.
Giri. Giri, very important word, and it's an adjective.
He's too impatient. Or gra.
Gra is being pompous. Giri. Giri means what? Rushing out. Rushing. Right?
Right.
Ẹsẹ̀ gìrì nílé Àńjọ̀fẹ́ kú, a ò mà rẹ́ nìkan. Erin kú, mọ̀gúdú fi jẹ. Ẹ̀fọ́ kú, mọ̀gúdú fi jẹ. Mọ̀gúdú kú, kò rẹ́ni tí ó jẹun. What is mọ̀gúdú? No. Let me backtrack. Let's go to the gìrìgìrì first. The gìrìgìrì. Ìdágìrì awọ̀lú, ẹsẹ̀ gìrì awòdé. Ìdágìrì. Ìdágìrì is a metaphor and also an animal. The cheetah is the idagiri. When the teacher is hunting, it just starts running and the animals go wild. They just go all over the place and the cheetah runs after them. But the cheetah is not powerful enough. So they will have one cheetah running, they will have about 2 cheetahs looking for the weak animals to grab there. And they don't have strong jaws as well. So it takes them a lot of efforts to get one animal down. That's why we call the cheetah idagiri, right? But see, when idagiri comes into a land, idagiri will be war. Idagiri will be turbulence. Some people that we don't know anything about just came. What happened 9/11 is idagiri, right? Because they came by surprise, out of nowhere, boom, boom, like that. So idagiri is surprise attack that you don't have no defense against. And when there's idagiri is stampede, right?
Like really.
Idagiri, stampede. Where's that from? Right? So idagiri awolu, esegiri agbode. So girigiri will be what? Double. Because we double it becomes adjective. Giri by itself, idiri. We break it into 2. You see what it turns to now? Just the giri by itself, we know that it's a movement. Stampede, right? Giri giri will be what? Well, fella will be saying that in a song, right? I just the move giri giri. Giri giri, right?
So when you double it, that's the adjective, right?
When you double,
Giri,
it becomes an added adjective, you know. Onwo koi koi. I know koi is an offensive word. But when I join another koi to it, it means I'm describing something. Ojú ẹ̀ dàbí ojú olè, ó mọ̀ koi bí ojú olè. He's looking somehow like a thief. Right? It's just all over the place. Right? Koi. Give you some more adjectives, so make this interesting. And then I'll go back to, what did I say after that we wanted to touch upon? After the idagiri, I said I was going to tell you something. Idagiri, I was talking about the mogudu, right? Idagiri awolu, esegiri awode. Mogudu. Esegiri nílé Anjofe. Mogudu ku a ò mà rẹ́nìkan. The Mogudu died and we did not see anybody to come and eat. But the Esegiri movement of people to the Anjofe's house. Who is Anjofe?
Freeloader.
Anjofe, a very rich person. A very rich person.
So it gives.
Anjofe kú, a ò rẹ́nìkan. Erin kú, Mogudu fi jẹ. Ẹfọ̀n kú, the elephant dies, Mogudu ate it. The hippo died, Mogudu ate it. And when the Mogudu died, there was nobody to eat Mogudu. What is Mogudu?
The pot.
Yes! Cauldron.
Oh wow.
Yes!
That's a
Let's
really-
clap for Larry.
I know you.
He's pretending that it's not Yoruba, it's Yoruba proper. Okay.
So that's a riddle.
That's a riddle. That's a riddle. Yoruba proverb. Esegiri nílé Anjofe kú, a ò rẹ́nìkan. Erin kú, the elephant died, Mogudu ate it. The hippo died, Mogudu ate it. But we did not see nobody to come and eat Mogudu.
Because they were all cooked.
When I didn't know, I was thinking it's an elephant, right? Until I found out. Very good thing, very, very good proverb and analogy.
So what's the meaning?
The pot that cooks everything.
Okay.
Nobody is going to eat the pot, even if it breaks. You not pick the pot up and start eating it.
No, I mean, how do we apply that to day-to-day life? What's the
Life.
lesson?
Okay, here's the lesson. Very good question. When you have a mother, you don't appreciate that mother until that mother dies. You don't. Because everything, mommy, she'll get it for you, she'll buy it for you, and you're not even thinking about how much she was spending to buy the things for you. And then all of a sudden they call you from maybe your class or work and they say, mother passed. What are you going to do first? You cry right there, or you go to the bathroom and cry, or you just be silent and just start reflecting on what happened and everything that happened from your childhood. You start to think about that. But because she's gone, you can't touch her. You can't say, Mommy, I'm sorry about what I did such day. I went overboard, I did this. You can't do that no more. There's no time. Right? Emptiness. So he's telling us that when they are still alive, we appreciate them. We get close to them and then get things for them without them knowing. And appreciate them when they are alive. Right? Not that the woman will be